I'll tell you what's going on inside here when we get inside. You can see it's a San Francisco subway set because, of course, there's the Golden Gate Park, SFO Airport, signs, of course, for the different subway stations, the ticket-taking machines, and, of course, we've got some lights and different effects over here as well. Up the wardrobe department's just over here on the left. And next to that, looks like they got craft services still set up there. They can get a hot coffee if you want it during an actual day of filming. We'll be in here for just a moment to take pictures if you like. Oh. Well, little California earthquake kids, don't worry, it's small, they happen from time to time. And this is the aftershock, it comes afterwards. Smaller. Smaller. It's not small, they're coming to big one, everybody hang on, alright? Look at the left side, the ceiling is coming down. Oh, that truck doesn't look too... Oh, no. Oh, is that a gas truck? Where there's gas, there's gonna be fire. Oh no, the ground is starting to come up here on the right side. Just as long as it doesn't hit that generator, because that's a lot of electricity. Oh no. Oh no. No, it can't be happening, guys. The subway car is coming back to the station. Look out, Cartwheel, it's coming your way! You guys know what that rumbling means. Lots and lots of water.
Oh, look at the water.
Well, the good news is, guys, that water will put the fire out, so that's always good. Now, guys, we're going to head out of here in just a second here. I don't want to brag, okay? When we were inside, I pulled out my iPhone. I know, an iPhone. I downloaded an application. I know, an application. It was 8.5 on the Richter scale. That's a pretty intense earthquake. 8.5. 8. None of you believe me. Okay, it was a mechanical effect we set up for you inside of Universal Stage 50. Originally built, of course, in an homage to Earthquake the film, but also used for Beverly Hills Cop 3 with Eddie Murphy. Now, guys, look over here on the left.